We're at Green River Lake Visitor Center and office of the Corps of Engineers. Oh, they have a nature touch table. What did you say?
They got all the rattlesnakes here.
They do?
There's that.
Oh no. Well, they got all kinds of bad stuff on this wall. Oh, there's beneficial insects. Oh, leaves of 3, leave them be. What you finding?
Bear
What are you touching?
There's bear skin.
Ah,
There's side fruit.
that's pretty big. Jeez. Look at the owl. Oh, the barn owl's got a mouse in its mouth. Up here.
Affiliated woodpecker.
Do what? Oh, there's the book right there. See?
Okay. Let's see what else. There's a mourning dove over there, number 3. Want to check it?
Yes.
I won't look.
No, look.
If I look, I'll be cheating.
Hold it then. You don't have to cheat.
What's one? One is a offspring.
Uh-oh, look at you were wrong. Number 3 is a house sparrow.
What?
Yes. Look.
No way.
You can't.
That's 3.
You can't. Oh, maybe. Oh, wait. Okay, maybe more. Okay, so you were right. What did you say number 1 was?
It's up there. It's some kind of a hawk.
It is a sharp-shinned hawk. This is kind of cool. Test your knowledge.
That is 2 is the sparrow.
Okay. Oh, look. Little nature nook for the kids. That's so cute. Eagle. 6 foot 4 inch wingspan. See how tall you are compared to a black bear. Black bears are 6 foot 4 inches.
He's talking about all I am.
Well, yeah. Huh. Oh, look at the squirrel on the tree.
Oh, here you go.
Oh, yeah, there's an owl up there. There's a little nest.
Downy woodpecker, maybe?
Oh, up there. Let me get around here.
That's too big for a dog. It must be
Look at
those are
the,
live bees.
there's a live beehive. And that's kind of cool. They have it in a fake tree. They're just a working, aren't they?
Mm-hmm.
You put it right against that and see if that's better. That turtle's alive.
Yeah.
Oh,
Definitely a kid's.
doesn't look very
Happy?
happy. It
Might
could
be
go
because
over there
it's
to
not-
the water if it wanted to.
Not feeding time.
Yeah, this would be a cool place for kids. I mean, I'm getting a kick out of it myself. Hello, guy.
Looks like he fell off.
Oh, you poor thing. What are you doing? What are you doing, little buddy? There's one that's underwater.
Right.
That's a neat little water feature in there. Look at the little boat.
Yes, it turns so I can see his side.
They're like, hi. This guy's coming out to say hello too. Pretty cool. Cats rule. This is really cool for kids.
Mm-hmm.
Welcome to Bobber's Clubhouse. I have that little thing kids can go through. Thanks so much for watching, guys. We do hope you're enjoying sharing our travels with us.
And don't forget that thumbs up button and subscribe.
Have a great day, everybody.